All right, so for my card base, I'm just gonna add some scored lines here. I have a scored board, but you can also use the little stylus or your bone folder and use the line in your paper trimmer as well if you want to create scored lines. And now I've got this scored background, can't tell yet, but I'm gonna do some little ink blending with the darker ink here, just going around the edges. I'm trying to be a little heavy-handed when I first go down so the edges are a little bit darker and then lighten up as I blend into the cardstock. Always work off your paper on. So then I'm gonna go around the edges, just darken it up a little bit more. So here you can pop your high up if you want to with some foam dimension, and it creates this fun little shadow because it's raised a little bit, or you can glue it down flat, which obviously I'm doing here. And I gotta put on my tittle. Anyway, that's it. Glue that sucker down. And then that same die set has the word there that you can cut out. So I went ahead and just swinked on some of the light brown ink, die cut it, and now I'm using my glue. So the there is a little hidden. It's hard to see, but it's there. That was a pun. But I am gonna go in, I didn't like the white halo in the middle, so I'm gonna go in with some goldenrod here. And I'm just gonna see if I can, add a little bit more color to the center. And doing that little step, I can notice that they're a little bit more. So here's a look at this finished card. Oh, isn't that cute?